Hello family and friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share my quick easy dinner roll recipe. We call these biscuits or muffins or dinner rolls, but the ingredients are very simple. It's a cup of self-rising flour, whole milk or buttermilk, real mayonnaise, and some shredded cheese. It's that easy. So the first step is to get a mixing bowl and add in 1/2 cup of whole milk or buttermilk. Don't use low fat or fat-free milk. You need that fat to make these biscuits rise. I just happen to have some buttermilk, so I'm going to make that part of my recipe today. Then you're going to add in 4 tablespoons of real mayonnaise, not the fat-free mayonnaise, but of course around here we like the Crafts, but you could use any full-fat mayonnaise. I have made this with low fat and they're just flat. They don't turn out well, so go ahead and use that full-fat mayonnaise. It's so good. So 4 big heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise mixed in with the flour and the milk. And you're going to give that a nice stir and mix it all together. Now the beauty of this recipe is you don't have to pour this out on the counter and knead it and roll it out and punch out your biscuits. You just drop these into a muffin pan, and that's what's so great about it. They're quick, they're an easy cleanup, no big mess, and they taste just like a biscuit. So I'm mixing this up well, and then I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. You don't have to use cheese. I've made it without, but it is really good to add in some cheese. It melts all in that biscuit. So about 1/2 cup. And then I'm going to mix this in well, and I have a greased muffin tin. I greased it with some Crisco. You could use muffin cups, but I didn't have any, so I just greased my muffin tin. And this recipe makes 6 dinner rolls. So I'm just going to take a big spoonful and fill each muffin cup with the biscuit mixture, dinner roll mixture. And I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees, and you're going to cook these for 15 minutes. Cooks a lot faster than a regular biscuit, and they're just so delicious. This recipe is one that my mom always made growing up, and my grandmother. It's just a really good, quick bread recipe to have for dinner. And tonight we had chicken and rice and field peas from the freezer, and this went perfect with the meal. So after that, I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. (400 degrees) for 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'll show you my floating shelves. I'm getting ready for spring. So I've taken down all the winter decorations, and I've been hitting some thrift stores, and I found some real treasures, some Staffordshire plates, and there are my white dishes. I've started collecting milk glass, and I found these sherbet dishes at a thrift store for $2 a piece. So I'm slowly getting this ready. I found that nice platter for $5 at a thrift store, and the little house for $1 at Goodwill. It's a ceramic house. You can put a candle in the back of it. So, and there's my coil basket made with rope and fabric. So I'm just getting this put together. I'll add some more pieces as I go thrift stores shopping. There's the Staffordshire plate, ironstone plate that was made in England. I got that for $8 at a thrift store. And I picked up these planters and put silver in them, and it turned out really pretty. So here are the rolls. They're all done. I just take a knife and kind of loosen around the edge to pop them out. Sometimes that cheese sticks to the metal. Oh, these are so good. You don't even have to add butter to these. These are so delicious and so quick and easy. And they're really good the next day. Just heat them up in the microwave if you have any left over. Oh, wait a minute, I have to test this. Oh, yes, it's good. Nice and cheesy. I'm going to pop these out on a plate and we'll have these with our dinner tonight. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It is one of our family favorites. It's an easy, quick dinner roll that doesn't make a big mess on your counter when you're making it. And it's one of our family's favorites. And you just cook them until they're golden brown and they taste just like a homemade biscuit. Let me cut one in half for you so you can see the consistency of a biscuit with that melted cheese. Oh, it's so good. So if you give this recipe a try or you've made it before, leave me a comment below. Please like and subscribe. I have a lot of people looking, but not many subscribers. So if you want to, subscribe for more recipes and gardening ideas. Thanks and have a blessed day.